Hi everyone, I'm pảt1. Today I present the influence of dietary and supplemental zinc on sheep. So first of all, we have to know what food and supplement is high in zinc. So in food, most of the zinc come from meat, fish, and seafood. Other foods, which are also contain zinc, can be listed as egg, beans, as well as fruits and vegetables. As for the dietary supplements, zinc is available in supplements containing only zinc. Supplements can contain any of a variety of forms of zinc, including zinc sulfate, zinc acetate, and zinc gluconate. So, how does excessive zinc affect our body? Manifestation of overt toxicity symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, epigastric pain, um, lethargy, and fatigue will occur with extremely high zinc intakes and at the, at the low intake, but only well in excess of the recommended dietary allowance, which is RDA. Evidence of induced copper deficiency with attendant symptom of anemia and neutropenia, as well as impaired immune function and adverse effects on the ratio of low density of lipoprotein to high density of lipoproteins cholesterol have been reported. So we have to have a overview of our study. So the target is 36 green crossed polypay readers were assessed to whether uh, zinc source or concentration would affect ruminant zinc rentation and nutrient digestibility with common diet. With body weight, whether with body weight of 31.5 plus minus 3.556 kilogram, and they are average 2.5 months of age. So what we have to do before the study, so we have to prepare the study. The test was sorted with by body weight to 3 periods for a 52-day depletion period. Each period divided into 4 groups of reader, which is control, inorganic, organic, and hydrous, with 3 lambs each group. Started to the experiment. In the first experiment is depletion period. Lambs were fed a common total mixed ration in the table in the left of the presentation. They can access to ad libitum to water. On day 52 of each period, lambs transport 6 kilometers to metabolism facility and acclimated for 24 hours. Moving on to the next period, the metabolism period, um, where whether live in a zinc-free environment. The steel metabolism craze painted with zinc-free paint, and the floor were covered with a plastic coating, stainless steel feeder, and water was provided in a plastic waterer. Lambs were fed with dietary treatment, different zinc treatment for each group, and then adaptation was followed by 5 days of total fecal and urine collection. The last one is sample collection and analytical procedures. Water sample was collected from the automatic waterers at the farm and analyzed to contain 0.03 milligram zinc per liter. Water samples collected in the metabolism facility contain 0.04, 0.03, and 0.03 milligram zinc per liter in periods 1, 2, and 3, respectively. Urine samples were collected in plastic containers that been acidified and covered with a layer of polyester mesh to limit contamination from feces and feed. Fecal collection containers were lined with plastic liner replaced daily, and fecal samples were dried in a plastic acid wash container. Sample was centrifuged with the machine, and neutral detergent, fiber, and ADF analysis were performed on fat, feces, and feed refusal by ANCOM 200 fiber analyzer. Blood was collected for each group at the end of the depletion period and at the end of the day 5 collection period for determination of plasma zinc concentration. What we got after the study is um, the depletion period performance. So at the end of the depletion period, the start of which is the start of metabolism period, lamb's body weight was measured to give out the significant decrease in body weight of period 3, and the result of period 3 was 41.3 kilograms, which is less than period 1 and 2, with 44.2 kilograms and 44.0 kilograms respectively. And the average gain ADG of period 3 also decreased compared to period 1 and period 2, with 0.05 kilograms per day in difference. With the nutrient intake, output, and digestibility, there are such no difference in the result. The same with daily zinc intake and excretion, absorption, and retention. The compare with the control and the zinc one. um, the control one give out less fecal than the zinc one, and the urine urine uh, the urine collection was not differ from the control and the zinc one. Um, After the study, we want to discuss about a few things. First of all is the essentiality of zinc in livestock diet. Many farmers not knowing that um, their the livestock need the amount of zinc in their diet. So uh, the study want to point out there is a lack of real reliable and consistent biomarkers for the livestock. And after the study, we also discovered that when that dietary zinc increase, the absorption of zinc also decrease. So there is no such a worry about uh, excessive zinc in the body of the sheep. So the control lamb show apparent absorption rate which is twice more than the lambs with the supplemented with zinc. After all, we have the conclusion of the zinc rentation was similar for in all lambs, which is the zinc in their diet does not affect their body as well as the rentation on the sheep. Here's my references I refer in my presentation. That's all. Here's my email and my telephone. Thank you for listening.